How to fix a new Siri AI stuck on waitlist error on iPhone. So first scroll down. Here tap on turn Siri off. Now turn it off. Now close the settings. Open settings again. Here check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now scroll down. Here tap on general. Tap on software update and update your iPhone software. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on VPN and device management. Disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Now tap on language and region and select your region to US or UK or another spotted country. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on Siri. Now tap on language. Now select your language to English, US or UK. Now go back. Now tap on turn Siri on. Tap on continue. Now wait for 1 or 2 days and Apple Intelligence will be available on your iPhone. There is no other way to bypass it. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.